Hey guys, it's Genevieve from the JJ Twins, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this painting back here. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so for this project, I've never done it on a canvas before, so I'm going to try it out today. So I'm not really going to talk throughout the video, you guys are just going to kind of see what I'm doing, and I'll probably have like music over. But anyways, I just have a table with a trash bag over it so I don't get it dirty. A canvas, this is a 16 by 20, so whatever size you want. A couple of pairs of gloves just in case. I have alcohol blending solution. I have an old one and then a new one just in case. And then I have some alcohol inks. I'm doing blue and gold, so I have a gold one and some different shades of blue. I got these all from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or Amazon. So they're just different colored alcohol inks. And then just in case, I have some paints. I don't know if I'm going to use them, probably not. But if I wanted to use them, I have different shades of gold, because I don't know which one I would use if I did use them, and a blue color. I probably won't use them, but maybe I might use a gold just to add more like a finishing touch, but I'm not sure yet. I just have these out just in case. And then I don't know if I'm gonna need any kind of like tool or anything, but I do have these random things just in case I need to move certain things around. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, probably not, but I have these just in case I need to use it for whatever reason. And then this is a small paintbrush just in case I want to add some gold. I have some gold flakes here. I got these from Amazon. They're just regular gold flakes. So let's just get started. If you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on. So I do want to say that what I kept doing was adding this one blue color to this side, kind of getting a shape that I want. Same thing to this side with a darker shade, and then I went back to this side with a different color that was a little darker, and it's still kind of similar to this color but darker. So I added that, added some of this, and like kind of moved it around to try to get it to, you know, spread out. Same thing with this side, and then I decided to add a little bit of this teal color to this darker blue side just to add a little more color to this side. Now I'm going to be using more alcohol blending solution, and now I'm going to start adding the gold. I don't know if I like how it's coming out. It doesn't look the best, doesn't look the worst, so we'll see what it looks like. But now I'm going to add some gold to random places, and then just kind of adding blending solution and blending it around. Just kind of see if I can kind of go around this. kind of following the shape a little bit. Just building up the gold. So sorry I couldn't really show you guys too much of what's going on because it was already 11 minutes and that's a lot. And so I decided just to cut out the camera for a little bit, just to save me some space. So let's do that. It's already kind of blending on its own. I don't know if I need alcohol ink. I don't know if I should add alcohol ink. I think I'm just gonna kind of leave it and just keep adding a little bit just to get it more gold. The gold is kind of, it's not that vivid, I guess you can say. So just kind of add it to it.
When you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite.
So what's looking really nice is if I add gold first to the same spot, like on top of another spot, like I'll add gold right there, and then add the darker color to this side's lighter, so I'm gonna add the darker one on top of the gold, and it kind of blends with the gold and like pushes the color, the gold out, and it kind of like, I don't know, it just spreads out really nicely when I put the gold first. So that's what I'm doing to both sides, obviously with opposite colors, but so let's do gold again. Just gonna follow this little line, and then I'm gonna add the dark color on top. Actually looks a lot nicer. It's coming together.
Stop chasing.
This is kind of how it's looking. It's kind of cute, kind of not the cutest. I don't know. You guys can also be the judge of that, but like I kind of like it, but it's not like it's not perfect. I don't know. So I just decided just to stop adding the alcohol ink. I was just kind of adding it literally in any spot and just kind of moving it around. And then I started adding more of the alcohol ink without the blending solution, just to darken certain areas. But that's how it's looking. I don't know if I should add gold flakes. I don't know if it's gonna look nice. I think I'm just gonna try it. It's literally random. I don't know if it's gonna stay. I hope it is. I don't know for sure.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive.
It looks right now. I did add some gold flakes and I did not know how to do it. It wasn't working with me. So what I ended up doing was I had like two different types of glue. I just put some glue and then try to let it dry a little bit and then add the flakes. It was still kind of a struggle, but I mean, some of it stayed on. So this other gold is the gold flakes that I put on top of other gold areas. But so it looks like, it looks interesting. It kind of came out good, but I still have to work on it and try to make it look nicer.
darken this whole little like section and then this section. I'm gonna keep doing that around the canvas. So I'll see you guys when I'm ready to show you how it looks.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.